Hey everybody, in this problem we're going to multiply 12 by 7/10. So come over here and grab a pen or marker, it's up to you. Okay? So to start off with, we're going to multiply 7 times 2, which is 14. So I'm going to put the 4 right here, and then I need to carry the 1. And then 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. So we have 84. All right, now the answer is not 84, right? If I did 12 times 1, I know the answer is 12, right? And 7/10 is less than 1. So the answer should be less than 12, right? So I'm going to move the decimal point over one spot. So it's between the 8 and the 4. So the rule is find your decimal, okay? And for every digit to the right of the decimal, that's how many spots you move to the left at the end, okay? So our answer for this problem is 8.4.